5 ways to invest in AI in 2024. Today's video is about investing in the future with artificial intelligence. You might be excited about AI, you might be petrified and think that the robots are going to take over and kill us all. Either way, there seems to be nothing you or me can do about it. It's coming whether we like it or not. And my feeling is that investing in AI is the logical thing to do for us investors. The adoption of AI has been rapid over the last few years, and there have been huge amounts of money pumped into it. And this is expected to continue going forward. I listen to a lot of finance content, and a lot of the big names I listen to, like Gary Vee, Cathie Wood, Raoul Pal, Elon Musk, are all investing into AI in some way or another. Like the fact that Elon Musk has recently raised $500 million for his new startup called XAI. With that in mind, let's look at 5 ways you can get exposure to AI and potentially secure your financial future. Number 1 is Tesla stock. Tesla is led by Elon Musk, an entrepreneur known for his innovative approach to business and technology. Musk's leadership has been instrumental in driving Tesla's growth and pushing the boundaries of electric vehicles, renewable energy and other technologies. Just about everything he touches seems to turn to gold, and he is currently the richest man in the world with a net worth of well over $200 billion. Tesla is a market leader in the EV industry, electric vehicles, commanding a significant share of the global electric vehicle market. The company's brand recognition, superior technology and expanding product lineup position it well to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles worldwide. To buy Tesla, you could go on a platform like Hargreaves and Lansdowne. Tesla has demonstrated impressive growth in recent years, with strong demand for its electric vehicles and energy products. However, it's important to note that investing in individual stocks like Tesla carries inherent risks, including market volatility, regulatory challenges and competition. If you're going to invest into single stocks, you should carry out thorough research. Consider things like your risk tolerance, and if required, speak to a financial advisor. And remember, this video isn't financial advice. The content in this video is for information only. Number 2 is C3 AI. Investing in this stock is appealing for several reasons. It's a leading enterprise AI software company that provides AI-based solutions for industries such as energy, manufacturing, healthcare, and financial services. The company's AI platform enables organizations to develop, deploy, and operate AI applications at scale to drive digital transformation and operational efficiency. The adoption of AI technology is expected to continue growing across industries as organizations seek to leverage data and AI-driven insights to drive business outcomes. C3 AI is well positioned to capitalize on this trend, offering AI solutions that address critical business challenges and unlock value for its customers. C3 AI is led by an experienced management team with a proven track record of success in the technology industry. The team's expertise in AI, software development and business strategy positions this company for continued growth and innovation in the rapidly evolving AI market. Again, you can buy this stock on a platform like Hargreaves and Lansdowne. Number 3 is Nvidia. This company is a leading semiconductor company known for its graphics processing units, GPUs. These GPUs are essential components in various devices, including gaming consoles, data centers, artificial intelligence systems, and autonomous vehicles. Nvidia has demonstrated consistent revenue growth and profitability over the years. The company has a strong balance sheet with ample cash reserves, which provides financial stability and flexibility for future investment and acquisitions. The company's strong brand recognition, technological expertise, and market leadership position it well for long-term success and growth. Many Wall Street analysts have a bullish outlook on the Nvidia stock, citing its strong fundamentals, growth prospects, and market leadership. Number 4 is Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, ETF. This ETF provides investors with exposure to companies at the forefront of robotics and AI technologies. These disruptive technologies are transforming various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and agriculture, among others. Robotics and AI are expected to drive significant growth across industries in the coming years. The ETF's portfolio consists of companies that are leaders in developing and deploying robotics and AI solutions, positioning investors to benefit from the potential growth of these industries over the long term. This ETF offers diversification by investing in a basket of companies operating in the robotics and AI space. By holding a diversified portfolio of stocks, this ETF helps mitigate individual company risk and provides exposure to various segments within the robotics and AI industries. So if single stocks are too risky for you, this ETF could be a better option for you as an investor, as your risk is spread across different companies as opposed to one company. Number 5 is Tau, and this gives you exposure to crypto and AI. Of the 5 options, this is the investment I'm personally most bullish on. Tau is a type of cryptocurrency that operates as the digital currency within the Bitenza network. Bitenza is a decentralized network for machine learning. AI needs a new market for efficient production. Bitenza aims to create a collectively run, decentralized market where intelligence is priced by other intelligent systems. Bitenza is a decentralized and incentivized network, while Tau is the digital token used within the network. Its tokenomics follow that of Bitcoin, with a maximum supply of 21 million tokens and a 4-year halving cycle. Personally, I wanted some exposure to AI within my crypto portfolio, and this is the one I went for after doing my research, like reading the white paper. AI is going to cause huge disruption over the next few years, and with that disruption comes opportunity. My hope is that the information I've given you today in this video has given you loads of value, and that you are at least open to investing in AI. And I also hope you get a bit of luck and pick 1 or 2 investments that give you game-changing returns. But what if you just can't get your head into AI, or you might not want anything to do with it? You might prefer more traditional stocks, for example. If this is you, look in the description below for a video on how you can safely invest in the stock market. If you've liked today's video, I'm going to ask you a little favor. I'm going to ask you to send it to a friend or family member who's got a bit of interest in investing. This is going to help them learn about investing, and it's going to help me improve the channel so I can help more investors like you. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to listen to this video.